Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken vegetable soup. To begin, gather all your ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, which can be breasts or thighs. Next, select a colorful assortment of fresh vegetables, such as 2 cups of chopped carrots, 1 cup of diced celery, and 1 cup of chopped onion. Don't forget 8 cups of high-quality chicken broth and some fresh herbs like parsley and dill for that perfect finishing touch. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare our main components. First, cook your chicken. You can boil, roast, or pan-fry about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken until it is thoroughly cooked. Once cooled, shred or dice it into bite-sized pieces. Next, wash and peel your vegetables. Chop 2 cups of carrots into half-inch rounds, dice 1 cup of celery, and finally chop 1 cup of onion. Mince about 3 cloves of garlic. Uniform cuts ensure everything cooks evenly and tastes delicious in every spoonful. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Sauté your chopped onions, celery, and minced garlic for about 5 minutes until softened and fragrant. Then, pour in 8 cups of chicken broth and bring it to a gentle boil. Add the carrots and simmer for approximately 10 minutes or until they are slightly tender. Finally, stir in your cooked chicken and any other quick cooking vegetables like peas or corn. Almost ready to enjoy your delicious homemade soup. Taste the soup and adjust the seasonings as needed, adding salt, black pepper, and perhaps a pinch of dried thyme or bay leaf for extra depth. Just before serving, stir in about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped parsley and 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Ladle the steaming hot soup into bowls. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of warm, crusty bread. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.